Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. See your boy Sheyi Dairo. Today in this video guys, I want to show you how to invest in crypto trading with little amount of money you have there. What you can do, either you're a beginner or expert in this, or maybe you're just seeing this video for the very first time and you know people are making money by investing in crypto. I am a living witness. I come to tell you that investment in crypto is one of the good ways to make money. As you can see, that it's been long when I created content last, but during my break I am still making money by trading with crypto. So today now I want to show you what you can do with little amount of money you have now by investing on crypto. That's just what I want to show you today. So the first thing I want you to do is to make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, then turn up that notification bell and give me a like on this video. Then whatever thing you don't understand while watching this video, drop it for me in the comment section and I will respond to that as soon as possible. So I want to use CoinEx as an exchange where you can trade crypto easily. Either you are a newbie to this or intermediate or an expert. So using CoinEx now, the first thing to do is, after knowing, if you are used to my training, you know I have made a lot of content on how to trade on CoinEx. I just so much love CoinEx, so that's why I'm just trying to use CoinEx to train you guys. So the first thing to do is check the pinned comments. I'll put a link for you to sign up for CoinEx. So when you click on that link, it will take you to your browser. Then use my referral code. If you want to claim your sign up bonus, you have to make use of my referral link and referral code. So when you sign up successfully now, you can open it. If you use app also, yes, after you sign in, you have your login details. You can go to Play Store now and download CoinEx, then log in. You have your login details, log in. So when you log in now, the homepage interface, you will see P2P, because the first thing before you will invest, you have to do what? Put your money there. So in your own currency, local currency, I don't know, for instance, you are from Nigeria here now, you have Naira. So most of this little money you have now, 5,000, 10,000 Naira, can turn to a lot of money by investing on crypto. So that's just what I want to show you. So when sign up successfully now, you should come to the homepage interface. When you open the app, or if you're using your browser, you will see somewhere here, let me check my own if I can see something like that. Okay, the homepage like this, I'm using my laptop. You will see P2P. So here now you will see P2P here, and if you don't see, you will see link like more or something like that. Click on it, then search for P2P. So when you click on that P2P now, it will take you to, or if you are using your browser, you can easily come to this place now. You see here, you see buy crypto, and when I put my course on buy crypto, then click on P2P trading. Then from here now, then click on this buy crypto here. Make sure it's in buy crypto. So they only have USDT in here. You can buy USDT or sell USDT. So now you can see by default my own is showing Nigeria here. So you can come here now, search for your own country by, you can see Nigeria is NGN. So if it's USD now, based on your own country, your local currency, so just try to use the short name for it, like Nigeria is NGN. So I'm from Nigeria and I'll use this as example. Like, what amount of USDT do you want to buy? So in Naira now, like how much in Naira do you want to use to invest in this? You can put it here. Just type, maybe you have like 50,000 Naira. You can type 50,000 Naira here now. So typing it now help them to filter out people that are eligible to sell for you within your capacity or financial ability. Then here now, you can leave this one here like this. Then come to this place now, price. So price low to high is okay like this, price low to high. So from here now, you can come here now to buy crypto from any of these people. But before you buy, make sure you screen these people very well and be sure that they have traded before, they have record of acceptance of the trading and even trading successfully. So if you look at this person, first person now, this first person have the good rate, right? 1,574 Naira to USDT. So this is the best rate, right? But still check the record. This person, look at this person now, 80 trades, then completion is 86.95, acceptance is 88. This is very good. You can buy from this person, right? Then another one is payment method. This Palm Pay, right? This one is OPay, this one is Kuda, this one is Palm Pay, and so on like that. So if you have decided to buy from this person now, you can click on this one, click on buy button here. Then here now, I will pay. How much in Naira do you want to pay? So click it and put it here like 50,000. So 50,000 now, then I will receive this amount of USDT you will receive. Then here, select a payment option. So click here now. Now you will select this person only receive through Palm Pay. It has been given you. Then you will click here now. Then click on buy USDT. So it will, from here now, it will take you to another interface. I don't want to go there because, but if you have been watching my videos, I have a lot of videos on how to buy from here. I have just check the pinned comment, you see a lot of videos there. So on how to buy from CoinEx or whatever, how to trade. So if you buy now let me show you. According to this video, I want to show you how to invest your little amount of money. If 50,000 is what you want to use to invest, I will show you how to invest it. Even if it's 10,000 naira, even if it's just 5,000 naira you have, yes, you can put it, use it to invest. So with this now, I've shown you briefly on how to buy using P2P. So when bought successfully, now you see your money here. Look at the assets here. You see your money here, right? So now let me show you the next thing to do on how to invest. To invest now, you have to come to this place. You see exchange here. So then you see spot trading. Now click on spot trading. To get to this interface, you will see the button here like trade. You see that there are many buttons below here. You see trade, I think trade. So when you click on it now, you will see it will take you to this place so that you can come here now to trade. Now if you look at this trading pair here now, this is XRP/USDT. all right, but your owner, you don't know what you can actually invest in, the kind of crypto asset you can invest in. I will advise you for free. Possibly you are a newbie to this now, you don't have much knowledge on how to know crypto you can invest in, because if you invest, there are some crypto asset that if you invest on it now, you will have loss. So you have to be very careful. One of the way you can do this, if you're a beginner on this now that you want to invest your little amount of money and to minimize the risk, and this does not guarantee that everything you invest on may turn positive, like may give you good return. There are some, when you invest on it now, it will turn to zero, you lose all your money. So I don't want this to happen to you, and that is why we warn you that only invest what you can afford to lose. Okay, let me show you my own. I invested some little things here. Let me quickly show you. Come to asset, click on it, then I click on spot. Okay, look at this now. This from this exchange, just from this exchange, I bought this. Look at this pop cards. I bought it at the rate of $5 and by now it's $6.43. You know, this amount of money is kind of money that I can easily forget it. Like $5 is not money, of course, but at long run it can turn to a lot of money for me future. So look at this one also, $5. Look at it now. And I have other exchanges where I have bought some of these things just to invest, and some of these ones, that some I bought, I transferred through Trust Wallet, even from CoinEx. So I'm just trying to show you, like, minimize the kind of risk you will take. Only take risk of things you can afford to lose. Don't use all your life savings to invest. So the advice I will give you is for you to be sure of let me go back here and click on spot trading again. For you to be sure about crypto you can invest in, all right, you can follow experts that can easily analyze the market and predict for you. There are many. Go to TikTok now. Just go to TikTok and search for this keyword like investing in crypto or crypto trading. You will see series of things, crypto to or coin to invest in. Just type some of these things there, then you see different results of the experts that will be giving you information. But I have to warn you, when you see any video that tell you about this, that okay, buy these coins, list of coins you can buy now on February, list of coins you can buy on March, list of coins you can buy, you know, they will be giving you see a lot of, just try it right now as I'm talking to you here now. Just go to TikTok and search for it like crypto to buy crypto or crypto to invest in or things like that. You will see a lot of results. Just try it now and drop it for me in the comment section. So when you see those videos, what you do is, because there are some videos that they made last year, it's not recent videos, all right? It's not recent video. And if you just look at what they are instruction giving you there, just follow it. You are following the information that is no more valid. So you have to be sure that this is a new information given you, so you can, you know how to check it on TikTok. You can check the person profile, and I think TikTok will let you know that recently viewed video like that. I think something like that. If you check the profile, you see recently viewed with like the video you watch. So it will show you recently viewed video. You can now check it to see the date when the video was released. So from there now, you see a lot of information that experts will be giving you on the crypto you can asset you can invest in. So what you do, how will you now invest in it now? You know, I've shown you how to buy crypto using P2P, and when you buy it now, the next thing to do is to come here now. Let's say they ask you to buy XRP. So you can come to this place now. Just come to this place, search for XRP, and you see the you see it's pair here now, XRP/USDT. Now click on it, then you see it from here. Then the next thing for you is to buy. So when to buy, just come to this place. You see here, this is buy and this is sell. So you have to click on this buy here. Now another thing is here, you know, here is limit, right? You may buy it at market. Buying at market means that you are buying at that particular exchange exchange rate. Just like now, you are seeing it there that SRP is giving us what, 2.7989 USD. So you can buy. Once you put it at market, then here you can just come to this place now. What amount of did you want to buy? Just put $5. This $5 is what you know you can afford to lose. Just put 5 there, and when you put $5 there, just click on buy. That's all. It just take you to something to confirm it. Just click on OK. That is all. So that's how you can be buying it. Then you can still come here to search for another one they told you to buy. Search for it. That is just how to invest. Then you can later come to this assets, come to this spot, click on it to see those coins you have bought. Now look at just like my one, and look at it listed here. So the essence of doing this is just to put little amount of money you can afford to lose. Just put it there like you have forgotten it. In the long run, it will yield. So you can be checking on it to know how far about it, so that to know the right time to sell it, so that when people are selling it, you will not be be out of information. So some of these things can turn to 100x, and so on like that. So you can imagine if something you invest with $5 now turn to like 100x. Now just try to reason the amount of money you make from this. So the first thing right now is to ensure that you convert your naira or local currencies to US dollar. That is just the first thing you have to do now. Convert it to US dollar by purchasing from P2P. So then the next one is for you to now seek for information on the crypto asset you can invest in through some experts. Like I told you, I can make use of a TikTok to search for the expert on this that will analyze and give you prediction on the kind of coin or assets you can invest in. So if you have any question based on this, please drop it for me in the comment section, and I will be happy to respond to that as soon as possible. I still have many other videos that will help you, especially on how to buy from, or maybe let me P2P aspects of it. You check the pin comment. Check the pin comment. I have a lot of videos I show practically on how me myself make money from CoinEx. You have to sign up, you have to put your money there, you have to trade and everything. I will help you. Just check the pin comment. I'll help you to put a lot of information in the description to this video. If you have any question, guys, just drop it for me in the comment section, and I will respond to that as soon as possible. Another thing, I want you guys to join my WhatsApp TV. Just check the pin comment. You will see link to connect with me on WhatsApp, so that you can able to be see my daily WhatsApp status. So this video, I want you guys to go and watch this, very important, and this video. I love you guys. See you guys in my next videos.